just gotten back from Seattle to Lawrence, Kansas, and I've moved into my new apartment, and of course it's time to decorate it, so now I'm gonna be spending some time doing that. So after a bit of a decorating, this is what I arrived at right now. This is my magnetic board, so I can just place all my magnets that I got throughout my travels. This is a very cute note that my former coworkers wrote to me about things they appreciate about me, and it's just really nice to look back at it and reflect. Then I've got my Washington magnets, and since I've lived there for a while, I've got quite a few. I've been to Chicago, I've been to California, Northern Cyprus where my brother studies, Cappadocia, which was absolutely beautiful, and of course I've been to DC and I went to Smithsonian museums. But overall, this is just a nice way to look back at all the places I've been to, and it's just really nice to recall all the memories.